Ham for Thanksgiving. This year, many people have been starting their holiday shopping early. At Smith's grocery store, 42% of people have been buying ham for their Thanksgiving meal instead of turkey. Can you believe that? These people are going against tradition, and a lot of stores don't even have enough ham for all of the customers. So, why are so many people choosing ham over turkey for their Thanksgiving meal? A recent survey was done at a local grocery store asking customers why they were buying ham. One lady responded, "I am tired of having the same turkey dinner every year. I needed a change." Another young boy answered, "I don't even like turkey, so I asked my mom for ham instead." An older man said, "Ham is so much sweeter. It can have brown sugar, and it tastes like a treat." Out of all of the people who were asked this question, not one of them felt bad about not having turkey. Maybe the world is changing from the tradition, and it is now okay to have ham for Thanksgiving.